Are you watching the candle? Okay. Now, notice I'm drawing this line. This is happening in real time. I'm looking at my MetaTrader 4, watching the setup, right? This is happening in real time. This is so freaking cool. Now watch. Now I'm going to put some text there. I noted that pin as potential long bias. Now I'm trading short at this point in time. Do you think I'm concerned about that? Anyone?
Probably.
Yeah, it's very concerning to me. Because I'm invested. I mean, look at that. I'm heavily invested in shorts at this point. And I have these shorts down here at the bottom that I'm not happy about. They were not well timed. These ones, the higher ones, I'm totally okay with those. So if this starts going long on me, I'm not liking what I'm seeing. So let's play this out. What did it do? Okay, look at that. It was a significant move long, right? And you saw that I called it in real time. That was not, there wasn't some magical indicator that told me. That was me with all my experience in trading, observing and saying, holy shit, I might be in trouble here. I also know that I'm trading, so I want you to understand all the things that are happening to me in a because right now this is a very discretionary moment. I'm watching, I'm contemplating, I'm trying to decide, okay, do I need to be closing positions at this point and reversing my direction, or do I persist with my short? So if I look to the left, and I know this is pound New Zealand, it's been pushing down. But I also know that pound New Zealand loves to do these quick, mean reversal candles. Right, Elsa? So I have this top of mind, right? All of this is processing in my mind. This is something we could never not cleanly code. Well, we probably could code it at some level into an indicator, but I promise you it wouldn't have the overarching contextual understanding that is in my head at this point in time. It's born out of trading as many trades as I've traded. So keep going, and you see that I actually took a short there. I decide I'm going to stick with the short. And I think I thought it came back up again. No. Yeah, so you see it starts to come back in line with me. And I just stay the course. And I start trading this area up here. There, yeah, see it did push higher. Right? So there again, at this point in time, well, it's already coming down, but when it's sitting up here, look, I took a trade right at the edge. That's a beautiful trade. I love this. Well, I love when I hit the edge like that and it pulls away. Especially when, if I'm in the, if that's a trade, because if it stays short, I'm not going to get a better position. So remember, what did I say here? Right here on this purple box. If I take that entry there and the RSI is lined up with it, that's the best possible place for me to take a short. It's outside of the noise. So if it did reverse and go long on me, my loss is going to be smaller. But if it moves in my favor, what's happening? Well, what's happening is that I'm in profit the whole time. No matter how ugly the chop is, I'm easily in profit. So I get to chill a little bit and watch it happen. And I may even, because I've already taken this trade here, I may begin to look at this area differently, because now I'm looking at the context of I have a position up here. So now on every pullback, I may be looking at it thinking, okay, do I want to add to my position or not? There's that discretionary thought, right? The art of trading, right? Let me click back to that. What I'm talking about is the art of training right now. Training, that's funny, trading. That's born out of experience. So let's go back to here. So if price moves down from that point, I cannot get a better entry than that. So it keeps moving. It came down, I took the profit off. See, I'm in a position right now that the market is against me. Even though it's still pushing down, it's actually well above where my trading has happened. So I start trading the edge, and I start taking money off as I'm going. I have no choice, because if it does choose to move against me, I've now reduced my exposure because I've taken profit off the table. Do you get that? I want you to really understand that point. So I'm trading that edge, knowing that I could ultimately be wrong, but I've been taking profit off the table when I'm on the edge. So if I am ultimately wrong, my loss is not going to be as significant as it was.